This is Sony, and today I'm going to show you how to get Apple Music free for 6 months using Shazam. Enjoy! The first thing you have to do is open up the App Store, go click search, and then in the search bar, you have to search up this right here. It's Shazam, Shazam. Then you click the same one I'm clicking, the first one, and click get. And then using my face, I'm just going to download it. You might have the iCloud logo, meaning that you've already downloaded it before, but you don't have it on your phone now. So what you have to do now is just wait for it to download, click the button that says open, and then you click continue to go past the screen. Then on the top left, it says library. You have to click that. Then you have to click the button that says try now. And then you'll get this splash page. You click try it free, the blue button, and then it'll open up your Apple Music app. And there, what you have to do is just wait patiently because it inputs a promo code and it redeems a code for you. All you have to do is click confirm. It does all the heavy lifting for you, and you don't have to pay for it until those 6 months or 4 months, however months you get, expire. Then all you have to click is done. There we go. Now you have Apple Music. Let me just show you that I have Apple Music now. I'm going to click on today's hits. I'm going to play the song called Roxanne. And right when it plays, if I didn't have Apple Music, I wouldn't even be at this page right now. So I'm just testing it myself, making sure Apple Music actually works. And I'm not going to play here just so I don't get any copyright issues. And then I'm going to show you a page right here which will show you that I've already canceled my Apple Music, but it'll still stay active until June 25th. So now I don't have to worry about actually waiting for, let's say, 6 months and just forgetting to cancel it and then Apple charging me for it. This automatically cancels it, and now you don't have to worry about anything. It'll automatically end. So that was how to get Apple Music free for up to 6 months. Hope you enjoyed.